Wonder how to recover deleted TikTok videos on iPhone and Android? You can find solutions in this video. Ensure you carefully cross-check your backup to confirm if the deleted videos are still available. If you have set your TikTok to save any deleted data in the default applications automatically, you can recover deleted TikTok videos on Android or iPhone from there. You can also recover deleted TikTok videos from your liked videos. Open the TikTok application and log into your account. Click on the Me button located in the bottom right corner. Click on the heart button located below the Edit profile. Next, it will show your liked videos. Select the deleted video and open it. Click on the icon with 3 horizontal dots. Next, click the Save Video or Recover button. This will automatically restore the deleted video on your device's gallery. You can re-upload the deleted video to TikTok.